Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the watch face on your watch, wake up the screen by pressing the crown button or by tapping on it, and then press and hold on the current watch face. It will open the watch face menu, and then you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. Like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces by tapping on the edit button. And here, for example, you can change the... we need to use the crown button, my bad. You can change the color schemes, as you can see. And if you swipe left, you can also change the theme, I guess. Yeah. And then if you want to apply the changes, you can press the... Oh no, if you change the theme, you can also change the complications. So the simple one doesn't have any complications, but if you select two arcs or bubbles, you can change the complications as well. And we have quite a few of them, as you can see, and you can tap on one and then scroll through the list to look for something you like and then select it, for example, battery. And once you're done customizing the watch face to the way you like, you can press the crown button to apply the changes. And here we have it. You can also change the watch face through the phone. So if you have your watch paired with a phone, you can grab the phone that is paired with your watch. Of course, open the Pixel Watch application on it. And in the app, you can go to watch faces. And here we have featured watch faces. So you can download additional watch faces. Give me a second because the screen is quite nasty. Okay, now it should be better. So you can download additional watch faces actually. So if you select one, you can tap on add to watch. It will be added and then applied. But if you just want to change the watch face from the ones that are already on your watch, you can tap on manage. And here we have the list of watch faces already on our watch. You can find the one you like and then tap on set as main. And here we have it. You can also customize the watch faces in the app as well, which probably is a bit easier than on the watch, as you can see. And you can change the complications as well. And then tap on update to update your watch face, like this. Okay, and basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.